Alright, this is Mike, K9KMV. I'm over at Busse Woods again. It's pretty cold. It's about 27, 28 degrees, so a little bit below freezing. I just set up the portable radio. I've got the ICOM 703 Plus in a little backpack. I've got the IC-705 magnetic loop set up, and I'm on 40 meters right now, just listening to one of the nets. So let's take a look, see how it works. Okay, there's the radio running in the backpack there. You can see the little batteries in the bottom there. I'm going to tidy that wiring up. The wiring doesn't need to be quite so long. There's the loop antenna. And there's Elsa.
Good morning, Joe, and the rest
trying to check things out.
Hope you're doing well. This is WCWE, and
so
you and Paul
this net's coming through pretty strong.
That's Bob in Ohio. Great signal, of course. Good morning, Bob. How you doing?
No, not bad, Joe. Good morning. Yes, still morning. NAYFF with mid-cars in the group. This is NAGP.
Might be a little tricky to check in here with my low power, but we'll see.
Anyway, rain and snow mixed here, Joe. Off and on little snow. Of course, it's not sticking to the warm temperatures we've had. Yeah, I think it's 35 degrees.
Rain and snow.
Carolina. And he specializes in 391.
No kidding. Wow, we got just the opposite. Beautiful weekend weather here. You can wind the clock back and bring the tourists back for a weekend. But I know you don't miss them. So, Ken, safe travels. What else you got to report?
QRZ, Parks on the air. Alpha 3 Kilo.
Kilo 9, Kilo Mike Victor, portable.
Whiskey 5, Charlie Sierra Romeo. Do I have that correct?
Roger. I got you about a 5'7", 57 into Mississippi.
Okay, Charles. Whiskey 5, Charlie Sierra Romeo. You're also 5'7", Kilo 1430.
Okay, copy the 5'7". You have a good one, 73.
Thank you very much. Have a great day and happy holidays. QRZ, Alpha 3 Kilo.
Kilo 9, Kilo Mike Victor, portable.
Station with Victor.
A Kilo 9, Kilo Mike Victor, portable.
I got somebody creeping in on me. Again?
Kilo 9, Kilo Mike Victor, Kilo 9, Kilo Mike Victor, portable.
You're getting down to my noise level. Try again.
This is Kilo 9, Kilo Mike Victor, Kilo 9, Kilo Mike Victor, portable.
I got the Kilo 9 Kilo, the suffix.
Mike Victor, Mexico, Victoria.
Okay, Kilo 9 Kilo Mike Victor, thank you. 4 by 1, Kilo 1430.
Roger, thanks for the activation. You're 5'9" into Chicago, Illinois, over.
Okay, Michael, thank you very much. I got you, and you're in the log.
Thanks, good luck.
Who was that? Parks on the air, Alpha 3 Kilo.
Well, I finally made a contact.
Kilo 2, Alpha Charlie Delta. Thank you, Parks on the air.
Kilo 9, Kilo Mike Victor, portable.
Kilo Mike Victor, portable. Come again?
Roger, Kilo 9, Kilo Mike Victor, portable, running QRP in Illinois. You're 5 and 2 here, over.
Okay, Kilo 9, Kilo Mike Victor, South 5'2". You're 5'2" in New York, 5'2".
Roger. Thanks for the contact, thanks for the activation, and stay warm. K9KMV.
Kilo 2, Alpha Charlie Delta. Thank you, Parks on the air.
Kilo 9 Hotel. K9 Hotel 59 Lima Alpha. USL 59 Illinois. Thank you, November 8 Ocean.
Whiskey India 9 Zulu. Whiskey India 9 Zulu. Whiskey 9 Zulu 59 Lima Alpha. Roger, thanks. Louisiana 59 Illinois. Thank you, November 8 Ocean.
Kilo 9, Kilo Mike Victor.
Yankee Victor. Yankee Victor, what you call?
Kilo 9, Kilo Mike Victor.
Quebec Victor.
Kilo Delta 9 Hotel Quebec Victor, 59 Lima Alpha.
Kilo Delta 9 Hotel Victor, you are 959 in Illinois.
Okay, you called sign Hotel Quebec Victor, correct? Thank you, November 8 Ocean.
Kilo 9, Kilo Mike Victor.
Who is Whiskey? Whiskey 1, November 8 Ocean.
Kilo 9, Kilo Mike Victor.
Kilo again?
Kilo 9, Kilo Mike Victor.
Kilo?
Kilo 9, Kilo Mexico Victoria.
Kilo 9 Kilo Mike Victor, 59 Lima Alpha.
Roger, 59 Illinois.
Thank you, November 8 Ocean.
Well,
November
finally
0
got
Charlie
it.
Kilo 59
Finally
Lima
got
Alpha.
it. 10 meter contact.
Thank you,
QRP
November 8 Ocean.
through the ICOM
November 8
AL-705 loop antenna.
November 8 Ocean. Contest.
Took me a while, but I got there. Who else can we find?
Sticky contest, Whiskey 5 Papa.
Romeo 5 Mike.
November 9, India, something Papa, you're 59 Texas. Thank you very much, got the correction.
QRZ, November Romeo 5 Mike. Busse 5 Tango Echo 59 Texas. Thank you, QRZ, November Romeo 5 Mexico.
Kilo 9, Kilo Mike Victor.
Kilo 9 Kilo Mike Victor, 59 Texas.
Roger, thanks. You're 59 Illinois.
Thanks, QRZ, November Romeo 5 Mexico.